Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Today I have a few new products from Essence that I wanted to try with you and put to the test. I'm talking about those new Baby Got Blush and Baby Got Bronzer. They are new to me and they are also new to Essence, so I purchased them and I wanted to do a try-on video. And because we are doing so, I also thought that I'm going to do a full face of Essence. So if you are interested to see what are my thoughts about those products, how they apply, and what other products I have used to create this fall appropriate look, yet another fall look, then just carry on watching. Alright you guys, let's get started with the product application. To save some time and focus on the new products, I have applied the foundation and concealer, and before foundation I have used this E.L.F. Halo Glow liquid filter just to give a bit of a luminosity to my skin. And then I went with a foundation. Actually, this is not a foundation, it's a skin tint by Essence, and this is the Hydrating Natural Finish skin tint with SPF 30. Now the only issue with this skin tint is that I purchased it in a bit lighter shade to me. I think it's the shade 02, but I have a full review on this product. I love it. It is a very good product. It's only $4 or $5, but it's worth every single penny. And it's also that kind of product that sits nice on the skin, doesn't emphasize patches, texture, and it wears a lot for a skin tint, for the type of the product that it is. And then I went with another product from Essence, and this is the Stay All Day concealer. Also the text is not visible because they have applied a label here. And this is in the shade 01, I believe. Oh no, it's 10, Light Honey. This is also lighter for me. For the eyeshadow primer, I apply it now because I want to set the concealer. So I went with my Milani eyeshadow primer. I love this eyeshadow primer so much. As I mentioned in the Shop My Stash video, this is a very, very good product. Just one thing I have noticed, that when I open it, especially if I haven't used it 1 or 2 days before, it has some oil that you have first to remove. You need to have a tissue handy, because otherwise all that oil you are going to apply it to your lid. So just be careful. It's a matter of shaking, but you cannot shake this in this type of container. So yeah, this is the only thing that I'm not very big fan of it, but other than that I absolutely love it. Now I don't have any setting powder from Essence, and I'm not going to set my face right now because we are going to try the new products. But I received from my lovely friend this absolutely gorgeous powder. This is by Mary Kay, and I'm very excited to have my first Mary Kay product, actually my first Mary Kay makeup product. I have had in the past their eye cream, and also my lovely friend also gifted me an eye cream that I'm waiting to open it. I am still working on finishing what I have open right now. But yeah, long story short, I got this Mary Kay setting powder, and you do get a lot of products, so you get 11 grams. This is not an Essence product, but I don't have a setting powder from Essence, and because this is a new product, I wanted to try. So as I told you, I already opened it. It has a very interesting mechanism so to open it, because you see it has holes. If you want to open it, you have to twist it. So backward, clockwise, open it. I have also used it for my face. It's a very, very gorgeous powder. Blurs the face, and I love it for the under eye area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the concealer, not to crease, and also I'm going to set the eyeshadow primer. This is usually my habit when I do my makeup outside camera. So I apply the concealer and the eyeshadow primer, because then I set both. Moving on to the new and exciting product that I cannot wait to share with you and try with you. This is the Essence Baby Got Bronze Liquid Bronzer. This I got it in the shade Light Bronze 20. So it is kind of similar packaging to the one from Tarte, and of course the one from Charlotte Tilbury, and I have another one from Kiko Milano, so same type of a deal. Of course this is not very pricey, you can see that it's very modest packaging, I would say, but what is inside, it matters. So I haven't tried it before, as you can see, this is new, but they have bothered to put the same type of mechanism to switch on and off, because if you remember the ones from E.L.F, they have similar packaging, they do not switch on and off, so you are prone to spill your product in the cap, and then oh no, I spill it on my table. This is the swatch shade 20 Essence Baby Got Bronze. But whenever you close it, switch it off. I'm going to use whatever I have on my hand and blend it with Makeup by Mario brush. Because anyway, this type of product sometimes is better to not apply it directly onto your face, but to apply it on your hand and then with a brush tap it. I believe you have more control over the product if you do so than if you apply it directly on your face, because you cannot be sure how much you applied or how much pigmented it is. It's very pigmented. This is what it looks on the half of the face, and of course I look a little bit strange, but I wanted you just to see the difference between with and without bronzer. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side of the face, because baby, I got bronze still on my hand. I have a lot of baby hairs that are playing with me whenever I apply makeup. They get into my way. I have to say that I absolutely love the way my complexion looks. It's a beautiful bronze shade that doesn't look orange. What I'm going to do outside camera, I'm going to take swatches and I will include with all this liquid type bronzer that I have in my collection, just for you to have an overview of how this compares to the others, and maybe I can help you save some cash. So just as a comparison, this is the one from Tarte that I'm currently using, and this is the one from Essence. So you do get less product, but also you pay comparable less amount of money. And let me show you. The applicator, it's the same. This is made in Italy. And this is also. So both products are made in Italy. This is the Baby Got Blush in the shade also 20. So both are in the shade 20. I have seen a name on the display, doesn't matter. This is a very beautiful shade, but I'm very sad about this because I did not check it when I purchased those products 2 days ago. I only checked this one and I've seen that it's not opened. But I wanted to also try to see if this is opened or not, but it was stuck. So I was thinking, okay, that means that nobody checked it. But look, I opened it the other day. You see, it's still stuck. And this is the way that I got it. So someone has opened it and stuck it. And what bothers me is the fact that they even had testers. Maybe I'm going to get a new one. Because right now, on the day when I'm recording, or on the week when I'm recording, my drugstore has the 1+1 offer. So whatever you buy, you get one free, the cheapest one. So that's why I go to those two, because basically I get one for free. They have the same price. Oh, this is not that liquid. Now I'm going to use the other side of the E.L.F brush from Makeup by Mario and tap it on the cheek. Look, the shade is so beautiful and so fall appropriate. Now for the camera, maybe doesn't look so pigmented, but it's quite damn pigmented. But yeah, the formula, it's not that liquid. It's just slight difference in the viscosity compared to the one from bronzer. This is the only thing. Those are so pigmented and so beautiful. I just remember the disaster that I had when I've tried the ones from E.L.F. Moving on to powder. I don't have a powder from Essence, as I mentioned, but I'm going to use the sister of Essence, Catrice, a light dust of powder on my T-zone. This is one of my favorite powders. I think I have mentioned that I do not have too many powders, and not so many high-end powders. Oh, I should have used the Mary Kay one, but at least I use it on the under area. Actually, this is much better for my oily skin. Mary Kay is more hydrating, so if you have normal to dry skin, Mary Kay, it's perfect for you. Because I don't like the way my lips look like, I'm going to use also the Catrice lip liner and define them, and then I'm going to define the brows. This is such a creamy, beautiful lip liner. And also for brows, I do not have any brow product from Essence, so I'm going to get the one from Catrice. Actually, this is new. I purchased it together with those two liquid blush and bronzer, and with another Essence product that I'm going to share maybe at the end of the video. Brow pencil, it's in the shade dark brown. Now don't be scared about the name because it's not that dark, but it's perfect. One thing I would say, compared to the one from Rimmel, you get faster through the Catrice one. This is one thing, but in the other hand you pay less because it's like 1/3 of the price from the Rimmel one. Moving to eye, I have this eyeshadow palette. This is the Bronze This Way eyeshadow palette, and I find this palette being very appropriate for this time of year. So you have all those warm, rusty shades that are so lovely. Of course, you can also use it during summer, but I find those shades more suitable for this time of year. Of course, doesn't suit so much with my sweater because I have cool tone and those are warm tones, but who is here to judge me? For this purpose, I'm going to take a BK Beauty 202 blending brush, and I'm going to mix those two shades. I am then taking a smaller brush from BK Beauty, the 211, which is similar to 202 but has smaller size. And I'm going still with the same brown shade, but I want to be more precise when adding that to my outer V. Same shade, different brush, and makes a lot of difference. I will take the pencil brush and run the lighter shade first on my lower lashes with a shader brush. This is 203 from BK Beauty. I'm going to take the top golden shade. This eyeshadow palette has great quality. It can rival high-end palette. And then I'm going to take the darker shade that is below this one. For lower lashes, I want to add a bit of a different shade. And I have another palette from Essence. This is the Daily Dose of Power. I'm going to use the green shade. I'm only going to use it to my inner corner. From an older advent calendar, I have had this 2-in-1 eyeliner. So you have double-ended tip. This is a thick one, and this is a slimmer one. The thick one, it's not even. The slim one, it's okay. Just I'm not able to draw a line using this stiff-ended liner. So for this reason, I only made it a little bit at the base. And I said, stop it. I don't want to ruin my eye makeup. So I'm going to use another product from the same very advent calendar. Actually, I had 2 advent calendars last 2 years. This is the Super Curl Volume Mascara, Eye Opening Mascara. One of my viewers has mentioned something in the previous video that I done, shopping my stash. She said, you should use your mascara because what's the purpose of keeping it in your collection until you get to use it? It will dry out. So she has a point. So I'm going to open mascara more often. Oh, look at the brush. That's very interesting. I usually like this type of brushes, but let's see if it's dried out or not. But in 2 years it should still be good. This is one coat. I love the fact that the brush is so defined that you are able to coat and define all your baby lashes. I'm usually not building up the mascara, but for the purpose of testing, I'm ready to do it. 2 things I will mention about this mascara. First, be careful not to poke into your eyes. Brush being so bold, you are tend to do so. And the second thing is the fact that being so slim, it's very good to define your lower lashes. So for my lips, I have 2 lipsticks from Essence. So I have those 2 nudie shades. This is the shade 102 True Me. Besides is the pinky shade 104 First Love. So this is the semi-shine formula. I'm going to use the first shade. This is a beautiful color. Why I'm keeping this in my boxes, I have no idea. The shade is beautiful, looks like a high-end lipstick. So Essence has beautiful lipsticks. I knew that, but I just wanted to remind myself. I got my hands on this lip oil that has been always sold out. This is the lip oil, Hydro Kiss lip oil. And the shade is 03 Pink Champagne. It has a bit of a color. I have worn this once. Love the formula. So it has a minty feel to it, but it's not overpowering. So it adds a beautiful shine to your lips. Now to finish off everything, I have added E.L.F Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Alright you guys, and this is the final look using Essence product or from Essence house. And of course the stars of the show, those 2 products have made my day. I could not believe that I am going to be so satisfied with those very inexpensive products. I believe those retail for $4 or up to $5 in the USA. On the liquid bronzer, and I have seen that it's written shake it well, but it's not written on the blush. As I told earlier, blush formula, it's thicker than the one that they have put on the bronzer, which is perfect. I don't mind. But yeah, for those money, I'm absolutely in love. I might go purchase another shade, hopefully not swatched by anyone. I cannot believe that they are so inexpensive, yet they look so beautiful. Now, it's about to see how long they will last on my face, but I have almost 1 hour since I have applied them, and also I have added powder on top and they still show up. I'm very impressed. Love everything about the eye makeup. Also love the mascara, the lipstick that I used, and of course I'm in love with the lip oil. I'm all about lip oils at this time. So yeah you guys, here I'm going to wrap up this video. Now it's your turn to let me know if you have tried any of those products and what do you think about them. But other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video, and if you enjoy this kind of videos, do not hesitate to watch some of the videos that I'm putting here or here on the screen. Bye!